Is AI already capable of everything? Will it take most of our jobs? Which jobs are growing fastest? Which are disappearing? And how should we prepare? These questions feel more urgent than ever, especially after the release of Google's groundbreaking Gemini 3.0. Hey guys, I'm Stevens. I share insights on mindset shifts and financial knowledge learning for confidence and success. I will show you how to use financial knowledge and different perspectives to understand the world and build a better life. This video focuses less on investment and finance and more on personal growth. Now, let's explore the personal challenges we face in the age of AI and discuss how we should navigate them. AI is on a path to destroy, dominate, and ultimately rebuild everything we know. As the potential engine of the fourth industrial revolution, its development will dictate the fate of nations and redirect human history, inevitably touching every corner of our individual lives. It's no wonder then that this revolution brings deep anxiety and uncertainty, leaving many stressed and sleepless. These fears are common and real, but to move beyond fear, we must first clarify a few fundamental points. 1. The undeniable reality. AI is developing rapidly. It's an undeniable reality. The cost of running AI models has plummeted, accelerating widespread accessibility. A report shows that the cost to maintain intelligence at the GPT 3.5 level for 1 million fell from around $20 to just $7 within 18 months, a drop of over 280 times. Top global companies and investors are committed unprecedented resources to AI infrastructure. Just three tech giants, Microsoft, Amazon, and Google, have invested over $200 billion in AI compute and data centers in the past 2 years. NVIDIA, a primary provider of AI compute, reached a historic market capitalization of $5 trillion in 2025. Autonomous big data, network information acquisition and processing efficiency, factories, and many other areas all relied on AI. There is no denying that AI has impacted every aspect of our lives. 2. Persistent challenges. We still have time. Despite rapid progress, AI development faces a persistent structural. A core commercial predicament lies in the high cost of model training and inference, which clash with the low willingness of enterprises to pay and difficulties in consumer monitoring. This is evidenced by the fact that around 95% of corporate generative AI pilots fail to develop to expected value, with many industrial and medical applications stuck in the pilot phase due to a lack of standardized solutions. On the supply side, a fundamental bottleneck looms. AI may exhaust high-quality public text training data by around 2028, while tightening copyright and privacy regulations further limit data access. These factors signal that the strategy of mere scaling is hitting a wall, making fundamental architectural innovations essential for future breakthroughs. Experts point out a sustainable commercial growth roadmap has yet to be established. Acknowledging AI's current limitations is crucial. This means that its transformative impact on the workforce and society will be evolutionary rather than overnight, granting us critical time to adapt. 3. Navigating the future. The fastest growing and the fastest declining jobs. This adapt must start with understanding the changing landscapes of work. According to the Future of Jobs Report 2025, technology is predicted to be the most divergent driver of labor market change, with broadening digital access expected to both create and displace more jobs than any other macro trend. The data reveals a clear divide. On one hand, the 5 fastest growing roles such as big data specialists, AI and machine learning specialists, and fintech engineering are all highly technical, demanding advanced expertise. On the other hand, the 5 fastest decline jobs, including postal service clerks, data entry clerks, cashiers, and administrative assistants, typically involve repetitive, routine tasks. This stark contrast strongly suggests that AI automation is displacing jobs with low technical barriers while driving demand for high-skilled specialists. Therefore, the aim is clear. Proactively moving one's skills towards areas of growing demand is the most effective strategy for thriving in the AI era. 4. Technology trends driving business transformation. Overwhelming evidence shows that specific technology trends are the primary drivers business transformation. The rise of generative AI is revolutionizing content creation and customer service. Cloud computing enables unprecedented scalability and flexibility, and data analytics hyper-personalized decision-making. Businesses leverage these trends are redefining efficiency, innovation, and market leadership. We cannot stop the advertisement of technology, nor can we shake the development of business trends. We should improve ourselves to adapt to the changing times. So let's move on to the final part, which is also the most important content of this video. 5. Reshaping personal core competitiveness, a confluence of forces, including technological change, the green transition, economic and demographic shift, is rapidly reshaping the global labor market. To remain competitive, individuals must proactively develop their core competencies. This figure outlines the core skills for 2025. Although we are at the end of this year, we identify few categories will remain highly relevant and serve as a valuable reference for the next 5 years. The top 5 core skills are analytical thinking, resilience, flexibility and ability, leadership and social influence, creative thinking, motivation and self-awareness. To build a competitive edge, you should focus on cultivating these 5 abilities. For example, to improve analytical thinking, shift from passive consumption of information to active, systematic and structured learning. The following books are highly recommended developing these core competencies. The Black Swan by Nassim Nicholas Taleb. This is one of my favorite books, which explores the profound impact of highly improbable and fundamentally reshapes how one navigates the world of uncertainty and makes decisions. Influence, Science and Practice by Robert B. Cialdini. This book reveals the 6 universal principles of persuasion that guide human behaviors and decision-making. The Mackenzie Way by Ethan M. Reziel outlines the core structure, problem-solving methodology, and communication techniques used by a lead consulting firm. Peak, Secrets from the New Science of Expertise by Andreas Ericsson and Robert Orr. This work argues that experts' performance is primarily the result of purposeful feedback practice, not innate talent. The Mental Pyramid, principled by Barbara, represents the classic framework for structured communication and thinking, ensuring ideas are logically organized and clear. I will put links of these books in the comments. Feel free to access them if you are interested. The last 5 core skills are environmental stewardship, manual dexterity, endurance, precision, global sensory processing abilities. If your current strengths are primarily within this latter group, it is advisable to begin developing skills from the first category. Manual and procedural skills are more susceptible to automation, whereas the top skills represent distinctly human capabilities that will be increasingly valuable. Alright, I will continue following these trends for you. I hope you found this helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you very much for watching. Catch you in the next one.